Hello ENC students, this is your professor Michael Blumenberg, and the purpose of this video is to introduce you to the Week 7 coursework. So I'm on Blackboard, and as always I'm going to click on weekly assignments in the corner there. And then I'm going to go down and I'm going to click on the Week 7 folder. Okay, and the best place to start as always is by clicking on the coursework. Links, you can view it as either a Word document or PDF file. Just click on the PDF file. And so the first thing to do is note the readings for this week. We are not in the ebook this week. Instead, I've put together a study guide for fixing common sentence problems. Now, I realized that I uploaded the wrong sheet to begin with, so I've gone in and fixed it. So if you have noticed that it was an assignment, we're going to be working on that assignment, but I lifted it for now because we'll work on it next week. And I've put the actual proper study guide in, so check that out in the weekly assignments. I'll show you what it looks like in just a minute. Westmore's the worker number 2, pages 54 through 57, and chapter 3, the lesson of the soldier, 58 through 70, and I've given you a stopping place to note there. 2 discussion board assignments this week. The first one related to fixing common sentence problems, and the second related to Westmore's the work. Both deadlines for those are by midnight Sunday, February 28th. I know the one says Monday. That's just a typographical error, so please note Sunday is your deadline. There is a discussion forum, as always, if you have questions or want to talk about this week's work or general observations. My writing lab, we're starting work on a new module, sentence skills, so you have until the 6th of March to complete that particular module. So that's what we're doing this week. So I'm going to go back up and back to the Week 7 folder. And here is what the study guide actually looks like. It's fixing common sentence problems. I think what I may do as I head into next week is when I put a new video together, I'll actually see what I can do to put together a video for the study guide that'll walk you through not only what these mistakes are and how to fix them, but one of the keys to this study guide is understanding how to fix not only these problems but add variety to your writing, and that's really key. So anyways, look it over. It's not a very long study guide. Going back to the Week 7 folder, once you look it over, you can begin work on the discussion board. Okay. And there are some things related to the fixing common sentence problems in the work, and so check them out. I'm just looking for what your impressions are this week. And some of you might want to go back in and tweak some of your postings, because once I started reading, I realized I posted the assignment, not the study guide. So feel free to tweak on that as you need to. But I just wanted to show you that. So we'll go back to the Week 7 folder. And the beyond those 2 postings, you have the learning path and the My Writing Lab. Let's pull it up so we can take a look. And so this week we have sentence skills. The other 3 are done. So it is a little bit lengthy. There are 12 of those. But it just so happens to fit in quite well with what we're looking at in the Fixing Common Sentence Problems study guide. So such things as structure, fragments, run-ons, so on. And you're working all the way down to transitions. So you're doing all 12 of those. But as always, if you have questions, just feel free to let me know, but you do have a couple of weeks to work on that. I believe that's it. I'm still in the process of reviewing drafts, so I'll be posting some feedback for you very soon related to that, at which point you'll have the opportunity to complete a final draft. If you have questions, feel free to email me, and I do apologize for the mishap related to the study guide. But probably looking at making a video for the study guide very soon, and I'm very hopeful that you'll find that helpful as you're working. All right, that's it, guys. Take care. Good luck on this week's assignments, and more videos to come soon. Bye-bye.